brewers, how's it going? Gary from VOC Home Brewery. Not done a vid for a while. Various things. I have been brewing, a lot of family stuff, very busy with work. Excuse the music in the background, that's outside. Yeah, bit of news, got a RO system. This is the second kind of brew with it. That's that's the header tank there. It's all filling back up after taking a couple of hours to get 30 odd litres, 37 litres, 38 litres ready between in there and in there. So yeah, literally just started the mash 2 minutes ago. Standing over it like an expectant father, saying make sure the level in the kettle doesn't drop too much. But yeah, today we're brewing Verdant Headband. It's a Malt Miller clone. So I had that on holiday 18 months ago when we were allowed to go on holiday in House of the Trembling Madness in York. Absolutely fantastic, off keg, amazing. Always wanted to brew it, and see the Malt Miller did it. Now I've got the recipe, so hopefully it comes out good. So yeah, we'll see how this Brewday goes. You can see probably just starting. It's a hazy beer, so it's never going to be uber clear. So there we are, just started, and everything's going tickety boo. I'll get back to you in a bit. Hey up brewers, back again, a little update. Very sunny outside, thankfully. Easter Saturday. A quick war update. Got it tickling through, it's not going through hard. You can see the warts kind of spinning around the malt pipe nicely. Levels, I've kind of had it, you can see how it's kind of trickling through. It's not going through hard, to be honest, but I have it much more than that, and it's kind of up quite a lot higher, so I'm leaving it as it is. It's doing its business. Just checked the pH. Haven't put any additions in yet with this RO water. I had it checked by Phoenix Analytical last week. Excellent thorough review, report, sorry, not review, and absolutely bob on. I'll be honest, I've just checked the pH, and it's without putting any additions in, it's 5.3. I've just literally put 0.2 of a mil in, see if I can get it just under the 5.3. So not going to be too difficult to get this watered exactly how I want it. Bit of an investment, 180 quid for the kit, and pal of mine, Andy Hall in Prestatyn, a fellow brewer, kindly put it in for me, so yeah, very pleased. So got one in the fermenter there, the house pale ale I do for myself. That's due to get dry up tomorrow. Sorry, dropping the temp for dry up tomorrow. That's the first one I've done with the RO water, so we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, wort clarity is looking fabulous. Got about 18 minutes left of the mash, so I'll check back with you when I'm on the Vorlaf. Cheers. Right boys and girls, just took a little sample off, cooled it down to 20, and that's the 5.22, so I'm quite happy with that as the pH of the beer, the wort at the moment. Right, get you over here. Clarity check. There you go, madam, there's 2. Yep, so very happy with that as well. Quick bit of wort, here we are. All very nice. Very happy with that. One little Brewty bonus, well, this for me. That's me Kolsch. Been in the fridge for 6 weeks. Was absolutely ghastly at first. Had a pint after, well, a little sip after half a glass after a couple of weeks. Not very promising at all, so I bunged it in the fridge, cold crash fridge, forgot about it for 6 weeks, took it out, poured a pint off, looked like absolute dishwater, shocking. Poured another couple of pints off, it got a lot clearer, left it another week, started drinking it a couple of days ago, and it's absolutely lovely. So yeah, all good there. So yeah, gonna be, only got a couple of minutes of the mash left, then we'll be on to the Vorlaf. Cheers. Right, boys and girls, brewers, the other way around, we're on the haul off. So this is what I've been doing the last 5 or 6 brews. I've only filmed 1 or 2 of them. Process for this kit kindly given to me by Mr. Adam Broad. He's a Power B80 user, gets amazing mash efficiencies, brew house efficiencies, so quite happy to take a tip off a fellow power user. Well, I'm not a power user, I suppose I am really, with the B40, but he certainly knows a bit more than me. So yeah, have the elements off, just got the pump on, probably need to turn it down a bit or give it a little stir. This process, have it on for 10 minutes so it resirks before the sparge. So yeah, that's where we're at. Cheers. Just coming up to the boil. We're on there 98, so just a very quick one. Boil volume should have been, pre-boil volume should have been 32, just over a fraction over 32 I've got. Believe it or not, that's 33 litres. I've just stirred it, but it froths up quite quick. Yeah, so the pre-boil should have been 1049, it's 1050, either 1050, 1051, so I'm very, very pleased with that. Overshot a little bit, but it's no bad thing. Small scale like this, so yeah, everything going absolutely tickety-boo. Sunny afternoon, all going good, drinking Kolsch, not getting too pissed, but yeah, it's a good day today. Cheers. Hey up brewers, Son and me back again, half cut. Yeah, just put the hop stand Whirlpool hops in, so it's just lashing round there as you can see. Yeah, good boil, very fierce, big high pressure system over us, beautiful blue skies. Boiled at 101 degrees the whole boil at around about 60%. Anything above that was just ridiculous. Yeah, so all good here. Obviously the wort looks like absolute ditch water. No ears at this stage, so yeah, we'll do another one when I get back. Oh, hang on, what we got in there? Blimey, I'm sure that's 30 degrees. God, it boiled absolutely ridiculous. So for whatever reason, it's only boiled 3 litres, 3 or 3 and a bit litres off in an hour. So we'll have to see how that affects the OG, which I will take straight after I put the phone down. So right, get back in a bit. Cheers. It's meant to do a roundup of the day's events. Yesterday, the following morning, I end up having one too many, as you do. So got a fly there. Yeah, okay. So ended up completely forgetting. Managed to spill some probably a litre of wort out of there. When I was cleaning down and what have you, all over me, all over the floor. Wasn't happy. Someone in my beer as well, I think, so I was even less happy. So yeah, I had a really good day yesterday doing the headband. If anyone asks, I'm not prepared to share the recipe, as it's basically, even though I bought it from the Malt Miller, you know, it's kind of theirs. So I'll link to the Malt Miller page where you can see the recipe, but I'm not prepared to kind of link to all the weights and percentages. You know, if you want it, you can buy it yourself, and if you want to share it, you can. But I'm not prepared to. So there we are. Yeah, really good day yesterday. Just 1 point down on the. I'm just giving the system a clean. Obviously, give it a good. Acid wash. I kind of rinsed it all through yesterday, but as I was a little bit inebriated, I thought before I do any more damage, I'll just close the door on the brew shed. So yeah, I had a good day yesterday. At 10:57 OG instead of 10:58. Worts in the fermented. I think it's just about to start bubbling. No action as yet, but it's kind of under 24 hours. as of filming this. But yeah, everything went great. Got basically 25 litres in the kettle. Sorry, in the fermenter, virtually 25 litres. But I'll need that because there's a 300 gram plus dry hop charge going in the fermenter eventually. So a lot of that's going to get lost with absorption. So yeah, so great day overall really. Everything went just great. Put a good handful of rice hulls, forgot to mention, in the brew, and the grist bed, that helped as well, even though it was a touch on the slow side. Perhaps next time put 2 handfuls in. So yeah, that's it. Great brew day. Probably be brewing again next weekend. Will I film? Maybe, don't know, have to see. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys soon. If you've stayed to the bitter end, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you so wish. I will see you soon. Take care.